Hi everybody, so it's Monday the 22nd of February. I wanted to do a very quick review on the Surface Duo, which arrived this morning, ordered on Friday, so it came pretty quickly, it's the day after the device was released in the UK. So here we have it, Surface Duo. I have updated it, I've installed the latest updates and all those kind of things. First impression is really good, feels really light. It's in obviously single screen mode at the moment, but as you'll see as I open the device up, it very quickly seamlessly switches to dual screen. I can navigate all of my apps quite nicely across there. I can open applications up, so I'm going to open up Google Maps for example. The map app opens quickly as you would expect. I can move it to the other screen, very simply. It gives me the main screen back on this side. I can pan it across dual screens if I want to, and then snap it back. So really simple to open and use. The device uses the Microsoft Launcher app, or a cut down version of the Microsoft Launcher app by all accounts. Couldn't see a way to restore my config from my I use Microsoft Launcher on my other phones as well. Couldn't restore it back, but no big deal. We'd probably want to set up the environment differently anyway on this kind of device. And you'll notice again, I can have applications as one-on-one apps. I can group things into folders as you'd expect me to be able to do. I can also create these things called application pairs. So for example, I can create two applications to be paired together and open simultaneously side by side, and I can choose what side those open. So that's really useful if I wanted, for example, Teams on one side and Outlook on the other, or if I wanted to have Spotify on one side and perhaps my Kindle reading app or something like that on the other side. So it's really easy to just pair those applications together. Camera seems fine. Few people I've seen reviews about poor quality of the camera. It's fine. It's not gonna blow your socks off. It's not. It's certainly not an S21 or a top-end iPhone, but the camera's fine. It seems quite good in normal light. 4K, all the things you'd expect. This has got a SIM in it. It's 4G only, so there's no 5G currently. But again, 5G is pretty much in its infancy anyway, and 4G is fast enough. Let's face it, 4G is fast enough. Fingerprint reader on the side, really quick, really fast and responsive. And that's pretty much it really. It's an Android phone built by Microsoft with all the Surface branding and all the things that you would expect from Surface. It is a really well built, high quality, premium device. It does have a premium price tag, but it's fantastic. I've used it as a phone. All my common apps installed, runs Netflix and all the films and Teams and all those things really perfectly well. I can mirror the screen to another device, which is quite nice. It supports the Your Phone application, and of course all the apps that you'd normally use from the Android store of course work, which was the big limitation with Microsoft having a go at mobile before. So there's no app gap with this. It runs all the native applications you can download from the store. So if you haven't got one, why not go and get one? I'm sure you've not been spending money on travelling and those kind of things of late. So if you haven't, maybe go and treat yourself to one of these phones, or at least see if you can borrow one. They're really nice. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you all soon. Bye.